Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The direction of thrust changes between the forward and backward strokes, so that they cancel each other out. Since the wings beat more than 20 times per second, sometimes as rapidly as 80 beats per second, inertia holds the bird's body essentially stationary.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Andean condors. Incredibly, the Andean condors spend just 1% of their time aloft flapping their wings, mostly during takeoff. A new study sheds light on just how efficiently the world's largest soaring bird rides air currents to stay aloft for hours without flapping its wings. 15 July 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You, and birds, have something called momentum. It's how much movement you have built up. When a bird stops flapping its wings, it still has momentum, so it doesn't stop right away. If it keeps its wings out, it could glide all the way down to the ground if it wanted to, even if it were no longer producing lift. 8 October 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
Humans will never fly by flapping our arms with wings attached, says Mark Drella, Terry J. Kohler Professor of Fluid Dynamics in the Department of Aeronautics and Astronautics. The arms and chest of a human do not have anywhere near enough muscle mass to provide the necessary power. 30 November 2010.
Let's help you make your mark.
A bird cannot fly with one wing only. Human spaceflight cannot develop any further without the active participation of women. The wandering albatross, for instance, can travel 10,000 miles, 16,090 kilometers, without flapping its wings even once. 22 February 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.